unboxing the October P. Louise budget box. I'm a bit behind now. Oops. So anyway, let's get started. I've already kind of spoiled myself for what's in this one, so I'm actually pretty excited to get this open. Already this box is way cuter than the previous ones I've gotten. It looks like it's all butterflies inside and out. The finishing touch. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's got butterflies on it too. It's all over body glow. Oh, it looks like the color is butterfly heart. It's so sparkly. Body glitter really takes me back to high school. This looks nice and fine, so it's probably more like a body highlighter than a glitter. I bet it would look really awesome over a tattoo. Next up is You Give Me Butterflies. I can guess what this is, but I wonder what the colors are. Oh, these are some really neat looking metallics. Honestly, I'm more of a fan of the burgundies in this. I was searching everywhere for colors like this years ago for a cosplay, and I wasn't having too much luck finding the shades I needed. And then, of course, like a couple years after that, they like really blew up and were everywhere, so now I have like a bunch. Finally, what I'm most hyped for in this box, also butterfly themed. I really like the Halloween palette, but it's kind of disappointing that the whole box wasn't like a similar theme. So this box is really nice. Believe in the bristles. This is a pretty big box. It's got a cool key cutout on it. It seems like it's something that should light up. It's got a magnetic flap and a mirror, and wow, that is a lot of brushes. Sometimes P. Louise really knocks these budget boxes out of the park. This is a really nice box. Okay, I have to take these out of the plastic. ASMR sounds incoming. Wow, this is a lot of brushes. This is pretty much like any kind of brush you could want, honestly. Got face brushes and eyeshadow brushes, everything. Okay, let's see what we've got. I don't actually know what to call any of these. And I don't think they have like brush names printed on them. They look pretty standard for your budget-friendly makeup brushes, so no complaints here. I think you get the idea. They're nice and fluffy. Only 3 items in this box, but it's like a ton if you want to count each brush individually. I really like this subscription box, but I'm going to put a pause on it for now. I've got more makeup than I know what to do with at the moment. Thanks for watching.